Well, good afternoon everybody, welcome back to the channel, Motorhoming Fun. As you can see, we're still on day 2. This is the afternoon now and we're heading out. We're going to go down the beach with Skye. I did say probably wouldn't film this afternoon, but hey ho, we got the camera, so let's do it. So we'll meet you all down on the beach. Right, let's head down towards the beach. I think we're on full high tide now, so not too sure how far we can get along. We don't want to end up getting cut off. You can probably see it's quite choppy out there. Very, very windy. Right, that way is Cromer. We're going to head the other way. We'll put some wellies on this afternoon.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken. And I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. Look out, here she comes. The woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing her how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. 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 She'll never know. You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you. You save me too. you say me to. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.
And you got me too.
Right, we're going to head off the beach now. This brings us out up to West Runton, the car park there. So we're going to take the cliff top walk and back through Wood Hill campsite and then back through the village of East Runton to the Seacroft Caravan Motorhome Clubsite. So that is the direction we've walked from. We've probably done 1.5 miles on the beach. Rookie mistake, I didn't bring my phone with me this afternoon. I must say it's looking a bit black over Will's mother's way, so not too sure if that's heading in our direction soon. If it is, we're going to get wet again. If you keep heading down that beach that way, you'll end up in Sheringham. You've got the Beeston Bump ahead. Right, we're going to head back up now. Nearly slipped on this wet surface. So as I say, this brings you up to the car park at West Runton. There used to be a cafe up here, but I'm pretty sure that wouldn't be open this time of year. Toilet facilities are open. And I'm pretty sure we're going to get wet soon. So that is the Seaview Calf closed. You got the mega mammoth. They did find one buried in the rocks or in the sand a few years back. Right, we're going to take a left here. You got the car park over to the right. Paying display, I think. Right, West Runton Mammoth. West Runton Mammoth is the oldest and largest nearly complete mammoth ever found in the UK. It wasn't just a mammoth, it was dug up here in the 1990s. Right, so let's just take the coastal path back. I think we're going to have to stop filming shortly, guys. I think we are going to get wet. Right, I remember it being like this when we were here back in March time. We tried to do a vlog all the way to Sheringham. I think we had a bit of microphone problems that day as well with the wind noise and everything, so as I say, it's equally as bad today, but we have got the new Pocket 3 with the DJI Mic 2, so hopefully it's performing better. As you can see, we're wrapped up as well, hat on, thick coat. Yeah, you can't do any more. Here's a view back down the beach. We just come from there. We'll walk along here through the campsite. We've got Skye's on our lead now. As you probably know, it's a big drop to my left. Right, we're just coming into Woodhill Park campsite now. Did surprise me. I thought this might be closed for winter, but looks like they're using the hard standing pitches. Not stayed here before, but I know people who have, and they say it's a nice site, nice facilities. So that is the reception and shop, Woodhill Park. Right, I think if I remember right, there's a gateway at the very top end we can squeeze out of, so we'll just head that direction. Looks like these are the grass pitches, and there is one van on them, so someone's taking the risk on grass. Right, hopefully this gate is open and we haven't got to double back on ourselves. Yeah, that's all good. Oh, we're all tangled. Oh, excuse me. Oh, right, we're out. Right, we'll take a left here. Back down the main road. And this takes us to East Runton. Right, we're just walking through East Runton. We've got the fishing boat pub there, I guess. Right, we might have to cross the road here. Looks a little bit restricted walking. On my left you got the White House. He's coming back to East Runton, so that's obviously having major refurb. Coffee corner, and you've got Will's Place fish and chips on the left as well. We did have fish and chips from there the first time I come, and I always said never again. The fish was so wet and slimy and thin, hardly any cod in there. Right, so we're going to just head back now to the site. Right, Skye's itching to get back across the road. I think she likes to go down this little side lane back to the site. Right, she knows which way she wants to go. Right, I think that's another vlog video in the bag for today. Hope you enjoyed our little walk along the beach from East Runton to West Runton. It managed to stay dry in the end for us, and that was a little bit breezy and all that, but and we had the wellies on as well, so no wet feet. Fortunately we didn't get the drone up, but we didn't even bring it, guys, because it was so windy this morning and that. So yeah, give us a like, give us a comment, give us a sub, guys. Be lovely to get to 1,000 subs at some point. I know some of you are dropping out now and again, guys, but let's welcome you back, guys, and say thanks again, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Bye for now.